Hello, welcome to yet another YouTube video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. I'm going to show you guys how I got this Sabrina Spellman inspired look. It's super easy, definitely a more wearable look, but so witchy and spooky, and I really had fun creating this video for you guys, though it did take a very long time because we're a little late, but I hope you enjoyed it. I am just primed and ready to go. We're jumping into the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm just using a couple of colors to create this like spotlight looking eye. Once I've blended everything out, I'm going to go into this Touch and Soul liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it to the center. And then to make the center of the eyes pop even more, I went into this chrome paint from Tarte. It is so pretty. It's called Fire Dancer. I also added a little bit of a liquid paint also from Tarte. This is, I think, their liquid Seaglass is what it's called, and it is so pretty. I'm going to add some liner, lashes, and all that fun stuff, and then we're going to move on to the face. For the face, I'm just starting off with some primers, a Radiance primer and a pore filling primer, as I always do. I'm going to apply my foundation, which is the Ultra HD foundation from Makeup Forever. Yes, it was a little tan, but we made it work. We're getting into our spooky skin. We mattified the face, and then we added a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush. This highlight was absolutely perfect for this look. This is Conceited from Artist Couture. For the lip, I added MAC's lip liner in Vino. I then added this Pixie liquid lipstick, which wasn't as dark as I was hoping for, so I just dabbed it a little bit and added MAC's Sin on top. And that's really it for this look, guys. I added a little shimmer to the center of the lips, and then I'm going to show you a quick hair tutorial on how I put in the thick, chunky headband. And the outfit, super cute. Make sure to check out my Instagram for pictures. I did a turtleneck and this beautiful satin dress and chunky boots. I hope you guys like this Sabrina Spellman inspired tutorial.